All you need for this easy popcorn recipe is tape, coconut oil, popcorn kernels, one bowl, and one paper bag. So I'm going to put 1/4 cup of kernels into my paper bag. Now I am going to fold it up, then I am going to use my tape and tape it up till there are no holes. Okay, so now I am going to put my popcorn bag into the microwave till it stops popping. So my popcorn is out of the microwave. I'm going to go ahead and clear off, serve it, and put it into my bowl. So now I am going to get a coconut oil or butter if you want to. I just like the taste of coconut oil. So I am going to get my 1 tablespoon and 1/2 tablespoon, and then you're just gonna microwave it till it's clear. I'm going to put my coconut oil into my popcorn, and I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to get salt, and I'm going to season it to taste. You can put as much or as little as you want, till it tastes just the way you like it. I finished my popcorn and now it's time to taste it. This is awesome. I love it.
I think that's pretty good. Inside.
If you like the recipe I made today, I'll put in the descriptions below. Click over here to watch the next video and click over here to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!